TechInFive.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Unleash the power of Matplotlib for data visualization in Python. Create impactful visualizations, from basic plots to complex charts. Welcome to our tutorial on mastering data visualization with Matplotlib in Python. Today, we dive into how you can use Matplotlib, a powerful plotting library, to transform your data into insightful visual representations. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your datasets with Matplotlib. First, we'll update our Docker environment to include Matplotlib, enabling us to create visualizations directly within our Jupyter Notebooks. Let's add Matplotlib to our requirements.txt file to ensure it gets installed in our Docker environment when we rebuild the image. With our requirements.txt updated, the next step is to rebuild our Docker image. This process will install Matplotlib along with the other required libraries. After the build completes, we can start our Docker container to ensure Matplotlib was installed correctly. Now, we've successfully updated our Docker environment to include Matplotlib. Next, we'll load the electric vehicle population data directly into our Jupyter Notebook using a URL. This method is particularly useful when working with public datasets that are frequently updated, as it ensures you're always working with the most current data available. Now that we've loaded our dataset, let's move on to visualizing this data with Matplotlib. Visualizations can provide intuitive insights that are not immediately obvious from raw data alone. First, let's ensure that Matplotlib is ready to be used. We'll import the Matplotlib library and enable inline plotting for Jupyter Notebooks, which allows us to see our plots directly in the notebook. Now, let's visualize the distribution of electric vehicle types to see which categories are most prevalent in our dataset. This analysis highlights the diversity of electric vehicles. We use a bar chart to display this information, as bar charts are excellent for comparing quantities corresponding to different groups or categories. Next, we'll create histograms for variables like electric range and base MSRP to see the distribution of these values. Histograms provide a visual interpretation of numerical data by indicating the number of data points that lie within a range of values, known as bins. Finally, we'll create a line graph. Line graphs are particularly useful for observing changes and trends across a series of data points. For our example, we'll focus on the average electric range of vehicles. But the same approach can be applied to other variables, such as price or battery capacity. Now, we will explore some of the more sophisticated visualization techniques available in Matplotlib that are invaluable for in-depth data analysis and machine learning. But first, let's clean the data to remove any rows where the base MSRP is 0. This will help us maintain the integrity of our visualizations and results. Then, we'll utilize a scatter plot to delve into the relationship between base MSRP and electric range. Scatter plots are ideal for visualizing and understanding the interactions between two numerical variables. By plotting individual data points where one variable is used as the x-axis and the other as the y-axis, we can observe patterns, correlations, or any anomalies within the data. Next, we'll use a box plot to provide statistical summaries by electric vehicle types, particularly focusing on electric range. Box plots are highly effective for visualizing distributions because they condense data into 5 summary statistics: the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum, while also displaying outliers. This visualization will allow us to compare the electric range distributions across different types of electric vehicles. By incorporating these advanced visualizations into your analysis, you can uncover deeper insights and more complex patterns in your data. These tools are not only powerful but also indispensable for making informed decisions in machine learning and advanced data science projects. Thank you for joining me in this deep dive into data visualization with Matplotlib. I encourage you to experiment with these tools in your own projects, exploring the vast possibilities they offer for data analysis and presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from learning about these powerful visualization techniques. Happy visualizing, and see you in the next tutorial.
Stay tuned for more videos on TechInFive.